Toby did so good. We just met Ellie. We did. And he wasn't super interested in like playing with her or anything. He was very curious of her, but he had no ill intent either. Okay, so we're here at my brother's house to meet his dog Ellie. But you're doing okay. Yeah. The treats help. The treats help. Mm-hmm. Good job.
Nice big ears.
Nice big ears. So Toby's, he just touched it like it was hot, but it's not on. That's Ellie. Did you see Els? Did you see Els bells? Look at that's Els bells. Yeah, he's just a good shake, Els. You're doing some good work, Ellie. Good job, Tobe. You can say hi. Do you want to say hi? You don't want to? Is she making weird sounds? No, I'm not saying hi to that gremlin. Good job, Toby. Good work. Good girl, Els. Good girl. Good job, Tobe. You can move. You're not frozen. I got you. I got your back. Yeah. That crazy dog. That's all we needed. You can put her back in. You can put her back inside. That was it. Thanks, Els. Thanks, Els. Els, come see. Wow, you're so brave now. You're so brave now. Yes, you are. You're so brave now. Let's go. Let's say hi to Els bells through the window. Good boy, you did it. Yay, Toby. So proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Oh, listen to me, please. Excuse me. Handsome? Hi, good boy. Let's get in line. Let's go. Use the pet store. See. Come on, handsome. Come on, handsome. This way. Good work. Come on, old man. Good job. Let's go this way. Good boy. With me. Yes. Oh, they have a daycare here. And there's lots of dogs. And there's those stuffed dogs. And there's lots of dogs in there. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Uh-oh, wait for me. Where are you going? Good boy. The birds, do you want to see them? So look at the birds. You see the birds? You come, look. You don't care? You see those? You see those guinea pigs? You don't care? Okay. No mama. I know you hear the dogs. You see the dogs. Good. Good job. There's a lot of dogs there. Can you see them and hear them? There, good boy. Good job. Very nice, Toby. Yes. There's a dog there. Good boy, Toby. We'll give you some space. Good job. Good boy. Good job. That's so nice, Toby. Very good. Good work. There goes the dog. Good boy. You like that, guy? Okay, wait for me. Good boy. Good job. Good boy, Toby. Tired, bud? It's time for an old man nap now.